Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy dollar in Binance P2P step by step. Open the Binance app and log in, then tap P2P to enter the marketplace. Choose Buy and filter by USD offers, payment method, and seller limits. Review seller ratings and trade terms carefully before initiating a chat. Always confirm totals, fees, and payment details before releasing funds to avoid mistakes. Select an offer that matches your payment method and desired amount, then read the seller's terms aloud to yourself. Check the displayed price and any transaction limits to confirm affordability. Click Buy, enter the exact amount you want to purchase, and start the chat with the seller to arrange payment. Follow the seller's instructions precisely and keep all messages within the Binance chat for protection. Quick request: if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, confidence-boosting scent after a focused trading session. I've linked the exact product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. After agreeing terms, send payment using your chosen method and upload the payment proof to the Binance chat without delay. Remain polite and clear in messages while keeping all communication on platform for security. Do not mark payment as complete until funds have been debited or a receipt is visible. Once the seller confirms and releases the escrow, check your spot wallet for the credited dollars and confirm the transaction is correct.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.